from Rajasthan High Court. Rajasthan High Court there. Rajasthan High Court to give its order on Sachin Pilot's plea after 2 p.m. Here's some information coming in on Sachin Pilot's plea. Rajasthan High Court now to give its verdict on Sachin Pilot's plea challenging the Speaker's order after 2 p.m. In fact, remember Sachin Pilot had challenged the Speaker's notice. The Speaker had sent out Sachin Pilot and 18 of his dissidents a notice to which the Pilot camp had to reply to, but the Pilot camp, instead of replying to that notice, took legal action. In fact, challenged the same legal notice in court, saying very clearly that this notice is null and void only because the assembly session wasn't underway, and raising dissent, raising voice and dissent against the party's policies and the nature of politics that ensued is not defection. That does not amount to defection. That's the stand that Sachin Pilot and camp has taken. Now this Rajasthan High Court there hearing the plea. Dev Ankur joining us for details. Dev, 2 p.m. is when the High Court order will be coming out. It's all eyes on the High Court and its verdict. Do you believe that like you mentioned, what happened in Karnataka, the Speaker's word was upheld, Speaker's decision was upheld. Here too, the Speaker will be given the liberty to decide on what next. Here the first scenario would ideally be that the court says the notice cannot disqualify these members, but yes, Sachin Pilot must respond to the notice. Sachin Pilot and his members must respond to the notice. As per the notice, as per the Speaker's discretion, he will decide. Dev, can you hear me? Devankur, if you can hear us. Here you have the Rajasthan High Court. We're going to try and get Dev back again. Rajasthan High Court all set to give out its verdict at 2 p.m. Dev, Rajasthan High Court to give out its verdict at 2 p.m. It's all important. All eyes on the decision of the High Court there, depending on which is the future, political future of all of these MLAs of the Pilot camp. Going by what the High Court says, it's going to be quite important what next for them.
At this point in time, the Rajasthan High Court has concluded all arguments and the matter has been posted post-lunch. The matter will come up in the court again at 2 p.m. With me right now is Poonam Chand Bhandari, who is the Senior Counsel of Rajasthan High Court. Mr. Bhandari, क्या कुछ रहा आज कोर्ट में? क्या मैटर की सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कंक्लूड हो चुके हैं?
ये सारे आर्गुमेंट पूरे हो गए हैं। मिस्टर रोहतगी ने बहस पूरी कर ली है, मिस्टर कामत ने भी बहस पूरी कर ली है। अब किसी को बहस करनी है इसके अंदर। सिर्फ 3 एप्लीकेशन जो पार्टी की इम्प्लीमेंट लगी थी उसके ऊपर बहस उन्होंने सुन ली है। पहले किस पॉइंट पर हम बहस करना चाहते हैं, और अब कोर्ट उठ गई है। कोर्ट 2 बजे बैठेंगे, 2 बजे बैठ करके वो सिर्फ एप्लीकेशन में सुनेंगे और आज फैसला कर देंगे।
तो ये आप कह रहे हैं कि जो बिल्कुल 100% सर्टेन है आप कि आज फैसला आ जाएगा मामले में, और क्या सारे जो पक्ष हैं वो रखे जा चुके हैं मामले में?
सारे पक्ष रखे जा चुके हैं, और जो जब कोर्ट 12 बजे उठ रही है इसका मतलब अंदर 2 घंटे जाकर के वो सारे फैक्ट्स वगैरह लिखा देंगे, और ऑपरेटिव पार्ट आकर, मैं समझता हूँ, ऐसा मेरी अपनी राय है कि बाहर आके ऑपरेटिव पार्ट लिखा देंगे और ये सुनकर के बहस कर देंगे आज।
ये एक बात बताएं भंडारी जी कि अगर आज कोर्ट में सचिन पायलट पक्ष के खिलाफ फैसला जाता है तो क्या वो इमीडिएटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट है वहां पे अप्रोच कर सकते हैं?
देखिए, हम लोग भी करते हैं प्रैक्टिस, मतलब अपील तैयार रहती है। SLP हो जाएगी, यहाँ पर SLP पूरी तैयार रहती है। सिर्फ जजमेंट जैसे प्रोनाउंस होता है, उस जजमेंट को सुनने के बाद जैसे ही पूरा होता है प्रोनाउंसमेंट, तुरंत उस टाइम फाइल हो जाएगी यहाँ पर, और वहाँ से परमिशन लेकर के आज क्या सुनवाई हो सकती है।
क्या गहलोत पक्ष अगर उनके खिलाफ जाता है फैसला तो वो भी क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट जा सकते हैं?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये कहता है कि अगर गहलोत साहब के खिलाफ जाता है तो मुझे लगता नहीं है कि वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, उनको मिलने वाला नहीं है उसमें कुछ।
Well, so that clearly is Poonam Chand Bhandari, Senior Counsel of Rajasthan High Court, maintaining that the entire arguments in the case have concluded, and post 2 p.m. the court will, as per him, announce the verdict in the case. Also mentioning that if in the case the verdict goes against the pilot group, then it can approach Supreme Court on an immediate basis.
Right. Dev, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Supreme Court, the High Court, Rajasthan High Court, will be hearing at 2 p.m. the verdict on Sachin Pilot's plea. Now, more information coming in. Congress sources have told India today that with the Rajasthan battle turning legal, the Congress is now looking for a floor test within a few days' time. The future course will, of course, depend upon what the High Court says. But the party wants to have the floor test sooner than later. A senior Congress leader said that the language used by Gehlot against Sachin was inappropriate and hasn't gone down well with the Congress High Command as well. The Rajasthan Chief Minister was reprimanded by the party High Command for his Nikamma Nakara jibe at Sachin Pilot. He was told that it does not behave. If he really does not behave, then here, of course, it's undoubtedly upsetting the Congress High Command. Maushmi joining us for more details on this. Maushmi, here we're looking at the Congress quite upset with the way Gehlot is taking personal jibes, continues to take personal jibes at Sachin Pilot, even till this minute for that matter. Congress sources have told India today that Rajasthan's battle is now turning legal altogether. The Congress is also looking for a floor test in just a few days to come, just to ensure all is well.
That's right, Nabila. So we have learned from our sources that Ashok Gehlot was reined in yesterday after he made that Nikamma Nakara jibe, saying that it didn't behove a person of his stature and persona to speak in that language. Importantly, you know, the Congress is wary of the time that is being taken as far as this entire legal battle is concerned, and it does understand, even though it was ready to buy out time, that time could in fact lead to its flock, getting scattered, and that's why the Congress would be hoping and looking for options to get a quick floor test done so that it can keep its flock that is housed here at Fairmont Hotel intact. In fact, if it gets a relief from the High Court, or perhaps, can get a floor test, it can also send a message to the rebel camp as well, because even now a senior Congress leader said that how could we shut doors on the rebel camp till, the floor test really happens. And we believe that if we stretch it for too long, the MLAs on either sides might run out of patience. It might be advantage Sachin Pilot. So even as, there are attacks and counter-attacks against Sachin Pilot, Sachin Pilot versus Gehlot all-out war in the open, yet the Congress party believes that the doors will still be open for the rebel camp MLAs to join the Congress front on the floor of the House, and it will be hoping that a floor test can happen in the next 4 to 5 days. It will be advantage Congress.
Right. Maushmi, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. The Congress now all set to carry out a floor test in just days to come. That's what is expected, but for that matter, we're going to quickly take you through a short break. We'll be right back with more details where my colleague Rajdeep Sardesai, our consulting editor, has spoken with experts on what next for Rajasthan.